Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install apps from the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. It's safe, easy, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Microsoft Store is an official app store for Windows where you can download apps, games, and tools safely without worrying about viruses. First, open the Start menu and click on Microsoft Store. If you don't see it, just search for Microsoft Store in the search bar. Now, click on the search bar and type the name of the app you want. For example, Calculator, WhatsApp, or VLC. Once you find the app, click on the app. Click the Install or Get button. Wait for the download to complete. Windows will install it automatically. After installation, click Open or find the app in the Start menu and launch it from there. Some apps may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. This is optional for many apps, but required for paid ones. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install apps from the Microsoft Store. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.